Hey y'all at Garage Squad. I just want to take a second and talk to you guys about Keavy Sargent. She is an amazing person. She happens to be my cousin. And her husband James bought a 1967 Pontiac GTO as an engagement present. And it hasn't quite got fixed up yet. And we would love for y'all to give her an opportunity to do that. She is an occupational therapist. She put herself through school to help people. And she does that in her everyday life at work and in her spare time. She does great things for the community and for her family. She's just a great person. She's someone you aspire to be. And so if y'all have the space and the time, we'd love to see her on the show and get this car fixed up. It'd mean the world to Keavy and James. So we're pulling for her. Thank you.
You know, it's easy for me to tell y'all how great my wife is. And it's an amazing character and person that she is. But I asked other friends and family to just share their thoughts on my wife and what this car means to her. So if you watch those videos too, consider this. Thank you.
Hello, I would like to take a moment to tell you about a very special lady who's come into my life and whom I can't think anyone more deserving than her for this. Her name is Keavy and she is my sister-in-law. My brother met her after several tours overseas with the U.S. Air Force serving, and she has changed our family tremendously. My brother purchased this car for her dream car, as a surprise engagement gift and with hopes of refinishing it. And quite honestly, that hasn't happened because they are spending all their leisure time helping others. This is several days a week after work, on the weekends, lending a helping hand, a ministry, a heart, just someone to hear their story and help them. And you know, I wish I could give back to them as much as they've given to others. And to me, this would absolutely be a treat. And I hope you consider Keavy. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Keavy's dad, probably the luckiest dad in the world to have her as my daughter. What an awesome daughter. She's special, and I just ask that you consider her for your show and for the restoration of the car that is her dream car.
Keavy and James are both very generous people. They give of their time. Keavy works actually in home health, so even in her job, she gives of herself. She leaves her job and goes straight into ministry, sometimes at night, late hours. I was working with volunteering with the ministry, and they came to a banquet dinner, and they gave financially. Just like that's how these people are. They're just very giving and loving of the community and accepting of their friends. And if anybody deserves this blessing, it's them. So not only for Keavy to get her dream car, but to give James the means to give her that. I think that would bless them both. So please fix their ride.
Hi, I'm Alan Jones. I am Keavy's younger cousin, and I just wanted to say that she is really an amazing person, and in fact I've always looked to her as a bit of a big sister in my immediate family, and I'm the oldest. But Keavy's always been a bit of a role model for me in how to live a full life and a kind and compassionate life. In particular, I remember one drive that she and I took. Our family was traveling from our grandparents' house, caravanning up to a vacation spot in Colorado, and we spent that whole entire drive talking about our lives, our personal issues, and she helped me through a lot on that particular drive. And she's always been a caring and compassionate person to me. So I just wanted to share that about Keavy.
Sure.
So, I don't know a lot about cars, but I feel like I'm getting to know a lot about Keavy. Some of my favorite things about Keavy is when she walks into a room, She doesn't always go to like the people that she's really good friends with. She finds the one off in the corner who seems unsettled, and she just sits down and pours into them. Here at Palm House, we have a ministry where we get to go into places and minister to men and women in the sex industry, and I have watched her time and time again love people just radically, and never with judgment, and never with even trying to fix them. She just comes right in where they're at and loves them there. So, since she doesn't try and fix people, maybe you should fix her car.
Hey Garage Squad, I'm here with Keavy Sargent's dream car. And honestly, as you can see, it needs a little help. So I'm taking a step in faith today to say you're going to help my sister in Christ. And honestly, she's basically my mom. Keavy and James have been an adopted family for me after I got back from a deployment. I spent some time in Afghanistan, and honestly, this car needs it, and I can think of no one more deserving. They've taken me in, they've given me a family when it was a little lonely. And I've been through some tough times, and honestly, they helped me through each and every one of them. She has a heart that rivals no one else. She is fully deserving of this, and I hope that I can see her dream accomplished. And I want to surprise her with that. So Garage Squad, can you make that happen? Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Megan, and I'm married to Alan. I've known Keavy for about 9 years, and from day one, she made me feel part of the family. Keavy really has a gift for making other people feel loved, and she seems to spend basically all of her time, money, and resources to do that. In her work as an occupational therapist, she's constantly helping people achieve their goals. She is always organizing family get-togethers to make sure we support each other. She takes vacation time to do ministry in Chicago, and she's even rescued at least 4 dogs and 2 sheep since I've known her. I recently saw her approach a stranger who seemed to be down just to give her a loving presence, and I could tell it turned her day around. Keavy doesn't do a whole lot for herself since she spends so much time helping others, and I'm sure if she were to have her dream car, it would be a real treat for her that she would never do for herself, and I'm sure she'd find a way to turn it around and give it back to you.
It's absolutely true.
Little Garage Squad. My friend James asked me to tell you about, give you a reason why you should help Keavy restore this beautiful car that she's so in love with. And the reason, from her perspective, she deserves it. The reason she deserves it, she's an amazing human being. She gives and gives and gives of herself, not from some elevated socialite position, but her time and her energy and her love. She goes to the Noah Project, helping battered women. She goes to gentlemen's clubs, just ministering to the women, telling them that they're more than their bodies. She goes to help kids. She goes on mission trips. She goes and she does and she does and she loves. And that's the reason she deserves it.
Hi, my name is Chevelle, and I thank you, Keavy, for coming out. Hi, my name is Marcella, and I thank you, Keavy, for helping us and coming to Chicago from wherever you came from. And we thank you for coming to Urban Youth Outreach and showing us
Hi, squad. My name's Damien. I'm here to tell you a little bit about my sister, Keavy. Keavy's dream car is a '67 Pontiac GTO. Now, it could be said that the Pontiac GTO was right there in the forefront with the Barracuda and the Ford Mustang leading the muscle car era. Unfortunately, dividing their time between doing mission work with the church, helping family and friends, and having full-time jobs, Keavy has been unable to make her dream car function in reality. Growing up, our mom was a teacher, dad was a Class 8 mechanic, money was tight, so we spent plenty of time wrenching on our own cars, and Keavy was right there supervising and keeping us on track. Now, my first car was a '78 Camaro. I had friends with the '73 Monte Carlo. We had a '68 Mustang in the group, '69 Camaro in the group, and finally a '71 Corvette. So from day one, Keavy was immersed in the classic muscle car era. Now, as Keavy went from a ponytail little girl, she turned into a kind of a tenacious hellraiser that wouldn't take no for an answer and wanted to do things her own way. I believe it was these formative years that helped her who she is today. As Keavy worked her way through college to become an occupational therapist, she did so as a waitress, scrimped and pinched pennies, making sure she was successful doing her on her own, not asking for help from others. Almost 20 years later, she now spends her days in OT helping her tortured, tattered, and bruised clients get back to their former selves. When our grandfather was diagnosed with Parkinson's, Keavy made sure he had care when the VA didn't take care of him. When I was involved in a motorcycle accident, Keavy dropped what she was doing, left Texas, went all the way out to Minnesota to help me get back on my feet. Now Keavy spends all her days helping folks get back on their feet, not taking no for an answer. We're hoping that this little video will help her make her 67 Pontiac GTO function reality. Thanks a lot. Good day.
I want to send in this video on behalf of Keavy Sargent. I want to take a minute and tell you a little bit about her. She's probably one of the most giving, loving people that I've ever met. I've watched her and her husband James. They've sewed into people's lives when they really needed it the most. She has a knack for knowing when people are hurting or when people need some love. She's got a heart for the underdog. Most all of us have been an underdog at one point in time or another, and you get to see people that recognize that and help pull people up by their bootstraps, and it's a wonderful thing. On top of all of that, she loves hot rods and motorcycles, which makes it even more perfect fit for her to be considered for this. So I just want to thank you guys for taking time to watch this video and consider her. She's amazing, her husband's amazing, and this would be an absolute blessing and a half to them. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Jessica Bustamante and I am a very, very good friend of my friend Keavy. This is her dream car right here, this is it. And you know, I came in all the way from El Paso, Texas to surprise her. She does not know that I'm doing this video. It was about an 8.5-hour drive, and the reason why I'm doing this is because she's an amazing person. Keavy's the type of woman that would give her shirt off her back for anyone. You know, she prays for everyone. She only wishes the best, and if it's within her means, she does go out of her way for many people. How do I know? Because I've known Keavy for many, many years now. And let me just tell you, I myself, there was a time where I was going through a lot. I'm a stage 4 cancer patient who is miraculously healed today, and I will claim that, with breast, lung, and bone cancer. Keavy's the one that came up to me and said, "It is finished." Just because she prayed and she wishes the best, and we believe in the same thing. Just as I believe in a miracle and she believed in a miracle for me, I'm gonna believe in a miracle for her. So I need your help to choose Keavy. Make this dream come true. And it would mean the world to me, as I'm sure it's gonna mean the world to her. So I hope that you take this video in consideration, because she is a fabulous woman, a blessed woman, and she's a very deserving woman of something that can mean so much to her. Just as I received my miracle, I'm gonna believe that she is also gonna receive her miracle. But I need your help to make that happen. So thank you. I hope you consider it, and God bless you all.